Guys, good morning. See my plants, they're not doing so well. My aloe vera seems like they're suffocating. Even these ones. If you guys have anything you can share that I can use to revive my plants and stop them from wilting. Only this one is doing so well. This was a gift. My dad gave this to me. I don't know if you've heard of this plant. They call it, is it miracle plant or something? It's really nice and it doesn't die, funny enough. This is the one he sent for me all the way, and the thing stayed about 3 days out of soil or water. And when I put these two, I just dipped them inside the sand and that was it. They just took on form and they brought out all these. So they're not the only ones doing so well. This one, I collected it from my sister's place, but it's wilting. I keep cutting off the dead leaves. It's wilting. And I have creepers. It has started creeping, but so this is my issue now. The aloe veras, they are suffocating. So I'm trying to do like a transplant, like putting them in containers, other containers, so that you can do better.
The next day.
Please, where's that woman?
Yes, Mom, is it?
Is this, how could this be? Are you sure?
Who is that? Who is that?
C'est moi? You give me no.
You have another in your mouth. Finish it first.
Not even that, you ate sweet before brushing mouth. You never bath with a chop sweet. You eat sweet after bathing, yeah? Idiots. See my hair. Babe, give me money to do my hair now.
You're just treating
This make her finish now. I look rough. Pretty, or some pretty. No making noise there. Does this look like a plumber? Yeah? Yes. No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
This does not look like a villa.
Let's go and back here. Yes.
Bye. Good morning, guys. How's the night? I'm about starting up this vlog. So I finished doing my meditation. I'm just trying to make sure that food is ready, though things are already on the way. We have plantain here for frying, and then I just finished boiling chicken. Let me show you guys. I just finished boiling chicken with spaghetti here. This moi moi for my baby. He's gonna have moi moi and custard, and then this one is still on fire. So let me just like mix up the spaghetti now.
Many unbearable hours later.
See the way I'm sweating. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? It's your girl Rose. You already know how we do it, okay? Don't mind these scattered things in the background. I haven't had any time to do any cleanup. So how have you guys been? So I have been so busy, doing back to school shopping and all that. You should have seen the video before this. I did some school shopping. So today again, I didn't have time to like carry you guys along because my phone battery was acting up. So but I went to the market. I got those former things, like back to school shopping. Then I had to go back again because my sister saw the items, and really liked them. So I went to get for my nieces. I went to get for my nieces. So this video, I'm just showing you guys, some of the things that I got from the market. So let's unbox this together, okay? These are tie. These are panties. Panties. We practically bought the whole shop. These are panties. These are singlets. So we have singlets for the two baby girls. Singlets. We have two each of the singlets. We have water bottles. I got something like this for one of my baby for my baby, and I decided to get because it's really solid. It's very solid. So they are twins now. So then last but not the least, I got this. The same type of shoe I got for my daughter. The shoe is really strong, like very, very strong shoe. The sole, very nice sole. It has very good grip and all that. So that's this. These are the things that we got. This for one person and this for the other person. So it's been a hectic day, but I was able to get everything that I went out and set out to get. So guys, these are the items. So guys, these are things I got, and I'm done with this unboxing side. I'm going into the kitchen now to prepare some juices. So I'll see you guys, when I'm there, right? Hey,
Hello, Wednesday.
well done. How far the orange now? The guy say he has plenty water. Wow. So guys, we're here, we're working. Yo, peace, hey, yo. is shy. He say, "Hey yo, hey yo." Okay, let's see this. These are the orange. I'm saying I'm there to love you and be there through whatever. I'm just hoping me and you can stay together. If you want me to stay, I'll never leave you. Don't play for real. Something, something, something. Complete the lyrics if you know it. We don't do it. Get it. Do it. Lord, lift up. Guys, oh, you people should tell me which blender is very good oh, for Kunoya. Aya is spoiling my blender though. I've spoiled the engine of this blender. I have fixed, I tried to change the engine of the blender, of the cup. It's just spoiling the cup. Ah, this well. This well, oh, this well. I'm just feeling myself, but I like a way they can hear me. I'm just feeling myself because I like how the camera is making me look bright. So even with my ugly hair, I still think that if I'm to bless there's really laughing at my head. I'm blessed that I will carry your hair, ugly or made face, I will just carry and put for video. I say now, now get time they look who they look you. I don't send anybody, papa. This is the real me now. After this is the real me. I don't like go and do makeup because I want to come and blend food in the kitchen. Like make it make sense. It don't make sense. Ra 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 oh, ra 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 oh, ra 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 ra. Hey, what time they do like this? This thing no go blend though. You not go blend though. And like a